Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green brinjal at home. First, select a location that gets ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours daily. Prepare your soil by ensuring it's well drained and enriched with compost. Begin your brinjal seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before the expected last frost. This gives your seedlings a strong start before transplanting them outside. Once your seedlings are ready and the soil has warmed to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to transplant them. Plant them 24 to 36 inches apart to give them room to grow. Ensure consistent watering, aiming for 1 to 1.5 inches of water each week, especially during dry periods. This helps establish a robust root system for healthy plants. For continued growth, fertilize your brinjal plants every 2 to 3 weeks using a balanced vegetable fertilizer. As the plants mature and bear fruit, they will need support. Use stakes or cages to prevent branches from breaking under the weight. Regularly inspect your plants for common pests such as aphids or spider mites, and address any infestations quickly to protect your harvest. Harvest your green brinjal when the fruits are firm, glossy, and typically 3 to 6 inches in length. Use sharp pruners to cut the stem, leaving a small piece attached to the fruit. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown brinjal in various dishes. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Happy gardening and happy shopping!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.